In the heart of an active mining operation, efficiency and safety depend on every path carved through the terrain. Here, the Komatsu D85E Bulldozer plays a critical role, maintaining haul roads to ensure smooth and reliable travel for heavy-duty transport trucks. With each controlled push of its powerful blade, the dozer spreads and levels material, removing ruts and reshaping the surface to maintain optimal road conditions. A well-graded haul road reduces tire wear, improves fuel efficiency, and enhances overall productivity across the site. Mining operations move thousands of tons of material every day, and reliable road access keeps that movement continuous and efficient. That is why road maintenance is not just routine work. It is a strategic operation that supports the entire mining cycle. The Komatsu D85E, trusted for its durability and precision, ensures that every truck can travel safely and smoothly, no matter the load or terrain. This is the discipline behind sustainable mining progress, where every meter of road prepared drives operational success. Strong machines, skilled operators, and consistent maintenance, working together to shape the path toward productivity.